We have 2 thumbs up. That means drivers, hands out the controllers in 3, 2, 1, go!
All right, Blue Jays here, coming off, scoring nicely. Kilts in a robot that's reminiscent of lawnmower colors, moving, aligning, scoring. That was a beautiful bubble launch. Nicely done, Kilts. Blue Jays in some conflict with the red robot over in their corner. Both robots seem to be slightly in opposition to each other. So meanwhile, Kilt's doing the bulk of the scoring for the Blue Alliance, and the other Red Alliance robot in a corner by itself from Electrolytes. All right.
Drivers, pick up your controllers.
We get untagged. We got 1 blue leaving.
2, 1.
And all 4 robots moving now. Disentangled, cleared, Kilts clearing the blue gate. Active coaching from Electrolytes. 30686 in conflict. Kilts launch, Kilts miss. Kilts go back, Kilts get reloaded. 26215, the other blue team coming in. Matrix Robotics coming in, aligning, trying to find a nice bead on the blue goal. They collide with the back wall instead. Line up and score. Land 1, miss 1. Kilts human player, loading very steadily as the robot launches. Here we go with the Blue Jays, inviting the robots to come in, loading it nicely. Blue Jays robot, the one that looks like a blue dragon, shoots, lands 3. That was beautiful. Nicely done, Blue Jays. Electrolytes, 30686, thinking about drawing a bead. Do they have a limelight? Yeah, I think so, but I'm not quite able to make that out. They do shoot 1, they do land 1. They are a little bit slower than the blue team. However, red is definitely ahead on points right now, 97 to blue 77. So they are keeping up the pace of scoring based on the Blue Jays. Contact between Kilts and Blue Jays. They are moving. Blue Kilts appears to have 2 under control, and they're coming in, scooping up more artifacts. I see the purple LED light on top of Kilts' robot loading up. Blue Jays keeping up a blistering pace for red. Kilts launch 3, land 3, and the partners Electrolytes launch and land 2. End game. So now we've got some disputes between the referees and the players. Red continues to score as we count down to 5, 4, 3, 2, and 1.
The first match of round 5 ends with a Red Alliance victory. With a score of 176 to 128, 4 ranking points means upward motion for all 3 teams, for all 2 teams on red. No ranking points on blue means downward motion for both teams on blue.